Catus Maximus here. People have probably seen these things for decades. They've been around for a long time. This is the Edroy Magnifocuser. What I thought was interesting is, and I guess I didn't look hard enough, but General Tools has placed this label over the back of just the traditional American-made product. It is still American-made. They even have a little made in USA right there. Magnifying Visor. I just thought it was weird that General Tools, when I couldn't just find it, was obvious that General Tools had bought Edroy, why they would just use a sticker on the back of the box like this. 3 different magnification levels. This happens to be the medium one, 2.25, goes up to 2.75. I guess, you know, they're fine. They were just head visor magnifying glasses, oftentimes used by jewelers and jewelsmiths. Even has this thing where you can flip it up pretty easily. They have various versions with lights and that type of stuff. The lens, we can see the little remainder of the tabs. They're acrylic. We can also see something remaining in the casting. So the lenses are clear and they work pretty good, but they're not glass, which is kind of unfortunate because even though I got this one pretty cheap at I think a junk store. Can't remember now. I've been sitting on these for so long, so I hadn't made a video about them. Anyway, as far as their magnification level, they are pretty good. You can see how they have the separation, so when you're looking down to you get a separate magnifying glass for each eye, and so you don't really notice that line. And you can see it mostly disappears here, even when maybe if I do it this way, I can get a better angle at the camera. It's, when you're wearing them, you can barely see it, but that's the whole point, is they're just a nice set of magnifying glasses that work on both eyes at the same time, instead of holding one up, which I'm doing all the time, so that's why I ended up getting these. The lenses are supposedly have a hard coating, kind of like Blu-ray discs, so you can give them a cleaning with like an alcohol wipe to clean them up. Otherwise, pretty simple. So I think these retail around 25 bucks. There's actually a bunch more sizes. I guess this is the 3 that General Tools is rebranding, but they have all the way up to pretty high, 3.5 times, even 4 times magnification. Whole bunch of different brands of these out there. Some of the more premium ones actually do have glass lenses and interchangeable lenses. So with the Magnifocuser, even though it's American made, it's pretty cheesy, and I mean, it works. There's no doubt about that. It's just that it doesn't come with any lenses. They're not genuine glass. And since it's just cheap plastic ABS molding, I mean, there's nothing particularly special about these. I will say the adjustment's one of these mechanical systems that draws in. So, kind of like that system, at least it's easier to adjust. Other than that, these things have been a staple for, once again, jewelsmiths and people work on small electronics, and I guess I waited a long time to pick up a pair. Anyway, thanks for watching.